Hey everyone, it's Train Guy 1969. Today we're going to look at a really special passenger train in my collection. This is the Canada Remembers train. It is part of the Bradford Exchange's Hawthorne Village collection. This particular train consists of an F9 locomotive. That's the F9 A unit. It also has an F9 B unit and a couple passenger cars, a couple of domed cars. The neat thing about this particular train is that it is representative of Canada's participation in World War II. So on the F9A, we have the Canada Remembers logo, and it has images depicting some of the events of Canada's participation in the war. The F9B is dedicated to the Canadian Army, and you'll see pictures of things like Sherman tanks and soldiers fighting throughout villages in Europe. Then the first passenger coach is dedicated to the Canadian Air Force, so you'll see some airmen along with the fighter planes and bombers of that particular war. And then the last one is dedicated to the Canadian Navy, so you'll see a naval vessel and some sailors. So we're going to get this one up and running. This is a DC unit. It's brand new, never been used. So we're going to give it a try and see how it goes. Here we are. Neat thing about this particular model is there is some lighting on the interiors of the rail cars, of the passenger cars. And bring it around one more time. And there we have it, the Hawthorne Village Canada Remembers train by the Bradford Exchange. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe. Look forward to seeing you in the future.